welcome back to school. You'll notice changes on your desktop. That you no longer have a desktop computer, but in its place we have given you a docking station. Along with your docking station, you'll see that we have allowed your monitor, your keyboard, and your mouse to stay. So what is the purpose of our docking station? Docking stations allow you to add things such as a keyboard and a mouse, also other monitors, other displays, such as your projector. So what we've done in the district is we have kept the monitor on your desk as well as the keyboard and the mouse. So when you bring your laptop in, all you have to do is simply take the USB that's coming out of the docking station and plug it into your laptop every day. What this will allow you to do from your laptop is to run multiple displays as well as your keyboard and your mouse.